Anong tilapia. Tilapia guys. Matagal na kasi ito sa freezer, so luto ko na siya. Sayang naman ko itapon. Tapos, ito siya taro. Ano nga sa Bisaya taro? Gabi. Gabi pala. Yan. Galing din to sa Leyte. Bigyan ng kapitbahay guys. Top. Gabi. Gabi at saka ginamos. Bigyan ko pala sa grasya nito. Sarap. Masarap ng ginamos kasi ano siya yung para siyang ano guys, yung malapot. Malapot. Saka hindi siya masyadong maalat. Sarap nito pag may kasamang kumain. Kami kasi dati, mga bata pa kami, naagawan kami sa gabi. Pagka hindi enough. Sarap. Dan sana isda kayo pala. Hindi nakain tuyo. Bigay ko to sa kapatid ko. Hap nito sa dininding. Kamani. Join for my videos. You wanna eat this, honey?
No, thank you.
It's ginamos. Smell bisong. What's the smell? You like it, honey?
It might smell good to you. Okay?
Yeah.
It's all that matters.
That's the problem if you have a Filipina woman in your life. Eat the dried fish, eat the
Yes, weird to eat now.
ginamos. You know ginamos, honey? Ginamos is like the small fish. And then,
Well, I ate some of them little ones, remember?
yeah,
Yeah.
they make it ginamos. Especially when there is the suka
They
or
were like,
vinegar.
the fish I ate were like what you would feed fish in America with.
No, the one, honey, is not a fish. Is that the shrimps? Shrimps.
Oh,
You know the shrimps.
it
Small.
looked like little fish to me.
No, small shrimps. Dried shrimps. Yeah, I know the one like that smallest from the other country is not allowed to catch. From the Cook Island also is not allowed. If you wanna get the fish, get the big one. Big one, guys, but it's not a shark.
Well, yeah, where I'm from, yeah, they got size restrictions on how small they can be to eat them.
Yeah.